Okay, now about this walnut blasting machine that I got. Comes with those goggles, they're reasonably okay. And then there's two stages, high and low. It's almost the same. And look, yeah, it comes with an air connection, right? It doesn't come with this sort of connection, it comes with a Chinese type one. And there I can just put a hose on it. Well, I've had these whole adapter thing which connects to here. And then it goes. Yeah, look, show you. Under there, connects to the bottom. Don't know if you can see it. Comes out the bottom, and it's just a vacuum cleaner. And that's the interesting part now. I wasn't quite sure how this works. There's a strainer in there. See? The carbon particles. This thing, it's not, I don't know if it's supposed to be in like this. Some of them made it down, see? Past the thing. That's the hot boy in here. And I don't know how this is supposed to be in. It leaks past it. I'm guessing it's supposed to be in like this, but it just doesn't. But it works. So I'll be chucking those carbon things out, and there's this funnel type, and the rest here is just a normal vacuum cleaner type thing. Yeah, and then we have here the gun with the trigger, the nozzles. They just come out, quick fit. And there's two lengths. It's that one. That one. And there's this. And yeah, it works. The only thing I had to put my own screw in here. This was missing. I have to see if they can give me a proper one. It's a bit not fitting right, but it's holding it in okay for cutting off the air. And I sort of like how it works. Done the job, alright. Put it here. This thing slides on like this. Anyway, I'll gotta clean it now. Take the carbon things out. We'll see, it looks like most of the stuff got recycled, apart from the stuff that went everywhere else. Okay, thank you.